Refunds are great and all, but where do you go to do that on Click and Ship? Well, I'll show you 2 ways on how to request a refund, and since they're on the same page, how to reprint your shipping labels. So, let's get cracking. Once you're logged in, go to the Quick Tools bar and under Send, choose Click and Ship. This will take you to the main page to create a shipping label. At the top right hand corner, you'll see different parts of Click and Ship that you can navigate. Click on Shipping History. This is where you can find all the shipping labels you've ever created on Click and Ship. For mine, I don't see any shipping labels I've created because it's been more than a month. To find a particular shipping label, or ones from a certain month, you can search for a date in this calendar box. It'll search and list any shipping labels from that date and 31 days after it. Keep in mind that the refund time frame is within 30 days of the print date or label transaction date. For older labels, you can request a refund after 30 days, but less than 60. However, for that, you'll need to email the Click and Ship help desk. In the email, include the following: your username, Click and Ship account number, label number, and the transaction number and date. If it is within the 30 days, click Search next to the calendar to find your labels. When you find the shipping label you're looking for, click the checkbox next to it. Options for the label will then appear. Here, you can do a few things. One is that you can reprint and save your shipping label as a PDF if you missed the chance to do it after checkout or you lost it in general. Another thing you can do, and what you came here to find out, is request a refund. If you want to cancel that request, you can do that here too. Another way to request a refund for the service is clicking on the shipping label's number itself. This will show you all the information about your shipping label. When you scroll down, under Need Help, you'll see the Request a Service Refund. So now that you know how to request a refund, are you eligible for it? Your shipping label's eligibility depends on 3 things. If your shipping label hasn't been scanned by USPS yet and isn't in their system, if your shipping label was created within the 30-day refund time frame, and if your shipping label doesn't already have a pending refund request on it. Now, if you find an error on your shipping label, just make a new one and request a refund for the one with mistakes on them. Once the refund is processed, verified, and approved, it'll take 14 days until you'll be credited to the payment method you originally used. And then you've got your money back, and you're all set to ship some more. If this video helped, please give us a like, and if you're looking to learn more about shipping or something entirely different, be sure to check out our How-To Hub and subscribe. Your next video might be right here. Well, I gotta get back to working on our next shipping how-to, teaser here, so I'll catch you guys later.